Every morning I like coming down, making a fresh pot of coffee, making my way out into the shop, organizing my day, setting up my parts, and burning some wire. Before Fabless manufacturing started, I was building my very first single turbo setup on my B5 S4. Basically, it was a full custom setup. I was having a really hard time finding the parts and the quality I needed for the build. So basically, I had to take it upon myself and start fabricating and designing parts from scratch. And basically, from that time on, was an opportunity for me to share with others. And my wife and I started Fabless manufacturing shortly after that.
We are a design and manufacturing company for Audi and Volkswagen aftermarket products. We manufacture products for our own website, our vendors, and we offer manufacturing solutions to other businesses. In the future, we'll be expanding our line with more innovative products that fit more Audi and Volkswagen platforms. We'll be increasing our distribution to make our products more accessible and lower costs for our international customers.
The Mark II is basically a test bed for Fabless manufacturing. All the parts that we design in-house and manufacture get run on that car first. We've been to H2O in 2017, it was a great time, and performed really, really well. We're extremely happy with the way the car runs. Everything is built to last. Everything is built to take a beating. We just build strong shit. Our Golf is outfitted with everything we make, like tubular control arms, engine swap kit, tubular front bar, and the hydraulic clutch conversion for the Mark II. Fabless manufacturing has come a long way in a short amount of time. We have a long road ahead of us, but nothing's going to stop us.